Hello, welcome back to Truth Ambassadors TV, where we uncover the hidden truth behind biblical teachings and doctrines. Today we dive into a thought-provoking topic that challenges a widely held belief among Christians. In this video, we'll examine a message shared by Dr. Abel Damina, a preacher who questions the concept of believers going to heaven after death. Join me as we explore this controversial subject and uncover the truth. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. So in this video, Dr. Abel Damina challenges the popular notion that believers will go to heaven after death. He boldly stated that the idea of somebody dying and going to heaven is not supported by the Bible. While his assertion might seem controversial, it is crucial to examine the biblical foundation behind his claim. According to Dr. Damina, the phrase heaven at last is not grounded in biblical truth. He argues that heaven's reality is experienced the moment an individual is born into the kingdom of God. Let's explore his reasoning further.
The aspect of somebody dying and going to heaven is nowhere in the Bible. That somebody died and went to heaven is not a Bible truth. It's nowhere. You won't find it anywhere. Nobody wrote that so and so died and went to heaven. It's not in the Bible. It's not a scriptural truth. And whatever you bind on earth is bound in heaven. Whatever you loose on earth is loose in heaven. That shows the control of things is in heaven. The unseen with the seen. The unseen with the seen. And that's how Jesus taught it. And that's how the apostles taught it. He's saying to you that when anybody is born into the kingdom, he is born into heaven. The moment you are born into the kingdom, that is the day you entered heaven. Heaven at last is not Bible, is heretic. There's nothing like heaven at last. Heaven's reality is what you encountered the day Christ entered. Any heaven outside Jesus, I don't want to go. Any heaven outside Jesus, I don't want to go. So which shows that he's saying to you that when anybody is born in the kingdom, he is born in heaven. He is born with authority. He is born in the control room. Everybody say, I am in the control room of heaven over the earth.
As we just examined Dr. Damina's message, it is evident that his viewpoint challenges traditional understanding. Now I would love to hear your thoughts on this matter. Do you agree with Dr. Damina's perspective, or do you hold a different view? Share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll be right there to interact with you. In my next video, I'm going to discuss this topic in details, where I will share biblical insights and my opinion on this topic. Watch out for the link to that video in the video description. That concludes today's video. Remember to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking contents. Until next time, keep seeking the truth, and God bless you. Shalom.